Hello everyone, welcome to Meditation with Raminder. Today we are going to discuss how meditation helps to stop overthinking. So, as you know, meditation is a practice in which we use a technique to focus our mind on a particular object, thoughts, or activity. And with the regular practice, we strengthen the muscles of our attention and awareness. And also, we develop the habit of mindfulness. As we do meditation in the morning, in formal way, while closing our eyes and paying attention on our breath or body, and in the same way, in mindfulness, we are paying attention on a particular activity, whatever we're doing at that moment. For example, if we are washing the dishes, we are walking, driving, cleaning the house, or doing any of the activity during the daytime, we are just focusing our attention on that. It means in both way, in meditation and mindfulness, both are helping us to stay in the present moment. If we are staying in the present, we are enjoying our present time. It means we are staying away from our past and from our future. So it means if we are not thinking about our past, not our future, we are staying very peaceful and calm, as we are not becoming very anxious about the future and not depressed about our past as well. So in this way, we will be more aware of our thoughts. We will become observer instead of a thinker. We will be very conscious of the thoughts, whatever coming into our mind. And we will be aware when the thoughts are coming and when the thoughts are going out from our mind. So as an observer, we can feel the intensity of their thoughts, if they are positive thoughts or negative thoughts. We will feel that how the thoughts are converting into feeling and feelings are converting into our emotions. If the negative thoughts are coming, it is attracting more negativity, and then that will convert into negative feeling and negative emotions like the sadness, stress, unhappiness, and anxiety, anger, and it could be frustration as well. And if the positive thoughts coming, then more and more positive thoughts making you anxious, impatient, and more excited. But these are not staying longer, as they have you have no power to control these thoughts. You will be lost in your thoughts. And along with this, if you are very present in the moment, you will see a gap between the thoughts, and that gap is of stillness and peacefulness. You will feel very calm during this gap. In the beginning, that gap will be for very short time, and with the longer practice, this gap will be longer and longer. And during this stillness time, you will feel joyfulness and blissfulness. And when you feel that all these negative and positive thoughts are coming, they are disturbing your stillness, then you will choose your thoughts. You will have freedom to choose the thoughts which are not disturbing you. If the thoughts are not coming again and again, then you will choose to stay in the present, in the stillness. And these thoughts will lose their powers, as you are not energizing them anymore. So in this stillness gives birth to a creative thinking, innovative ideas. And you will see an abundance of love. You will feel abundance of love for everyone around you. That will motivate you to find the ways to help others. And then you will use your creative thinking to help others. And once you find the ways to help others and get the satisfaction out of it, you will feel the never-ending pleasure and happiness inside you. And during this moment, you will never complain that I am overthinking. So what you have to do, just you have to find some moments, few minutes to sit with yourself and find the stillness within you. So thank you for watching me today, and just start your practice of meditation from today. And don't forget to press the subscribe button below so that you can be updated with my next videos.